What's up, guys? And today we'll be reacting to some more EAS Alarms animated stuff. In total, there's about 33 episodes, and it's called EAS Alarm Animated Mixed Series 1, 2, 3, 33 episodes, like the one I mentioned. First up, we have Iraq trying to perform as EAS Alarm. In most scenes, the countries just keep stretching their bodies. Kyrgyzstan is up next, and he's speaking in Morse code. Not really. There's Macedonia over there speaking. Bangladesh has like an angry face. It shows the map. 669 full stop punctuation. 420 full stop punctuation. 1627. Passed out. Kosovo's up next. Colombia just keep falling down into the bottomless pit. Then Venezuela comes into the air. It just rotates its body. Burkina Faso is like jumping. Hungary is just stretching his body. Laos. Oh my god, you're in space. Oh, it's Yemen. You're speaking in Morse code. Alright, Oman. Stretching. Get arrested for faking. Turkmenistan. I'm giving this like a 6 out of 10. Faroe Islands. What is that? I don't know. No arms? Just sits down without arms. He has no arms like Spongy. Unknowingly turned into a car by Latvia. Bangladesh. Bhutan again. It's like a system alert. Brunei. Serbia. Okay. Oh, Papua New Guinea's up next. And is that a smear frame? Libya. Screaming. Tajikistan while another Tajikistan is flashing. May cause some seizures, but I'm just going to skip the Vatican City parts. Alrighty, then we got Bahrain, and Bahrain seems to be worried over something. Well, Qatar was like, "What are you doing, Bahrain?" Alright, American Samoa is saying this is a test for the emergency alert system. Okay. Ghana, you need to stop that. It's annoying. What is that? It's worse. Netherlands has some anger issues like Donald Duck. But however, he just sighs in relief, but continues to scream. Malaysia jump scare. Luxembourg. It's speaking in German. Someone's playing the harmonica. It's Turkey! Falling down. Chile just stretches his legs. Oh my god. Is that a gun? That's Uganda. Uganda was there. You mean Uganda Knuckles? It's Peru! Okay. The United Arab Emirates copied the same thing as the American one. However, a different alarm plays instead of the sound effect. Jordan. Oh my god, Zambia is having a heat stroke. Guyana. What the hell are you doing, Ghana? Guyana, sorry, not Ghana, Guyana. Alright, Algeria. Breathing, hyperventilating. Czech Republic comes in. But the United States was not there. Says Dracula. It's made with motion blur. It's not. Bermuda. Ireland was like, hey, what's going on in here? Well, Iceland's having a stroke while another one is having a stroke. Or maybe having a seizure. That one is mostly Liberia. Not the United States of America or Malaysia. Dies. Armenia. Sounding like the Tia Checks deep note. Oh my god. Yemen is absolutely duplicating himself. Make it. Oh. I'm having a seizure over Central African Republic. Slovakia from 1966. Democratic Republic of the Congo. Killed by the original one. What the hell, Brazil? Sounds like the reverse version. It's Seychelles. Oh, Sao Tome and Principe. Why are bombs that keep making cameos? Oh, it's the Cook Islands. Bolivia. It's Panama. San Marino was not there. Wait a minute, it was there. I lied. It's mostly Mali or Guinea. I don't know. Was that Colombia? Greece. What? Oh my god. Who's that? Who's that in the car? That's a motorcycle. That's a motorbike. Ecuador. And Morocco's Africa. And Panama. Oh my god, this is just complete chaos. Malaysia jump scare again. Laos. Where are you? There you are. What was that? Japan. You're speaking in Morse code, but now he got swept away by the tsunami. New Zealand is just partying. Maldives. This has a kid voice over there. Oh my god, he just got a sandwich. Oh, it's Burma, and he's spitting 360. I'm having a seizure. Trinidad and Tobago. According to Yaka from Yaka's World, it's actually called Tobago. Oh, I saw Albania. And Bulgaria's just partying over there. It's some sick move. Got carried away by Russia or by Romania or Chad. It's absolutely a coincidence. Oh, Saint Pierre and Miquelon. Oh my. Oh, it's Portugal. Alright, Mongolia's up next. Why does it look squished? Most countries do that. It's probably because that's their EES alarm. Mozambique is up next. Whoa. He did a movement, but about like almost 4 seconds later, it's Guinea-Bissau without a face. The UK just stepped on Guinea-Bissau. Oh, that's Portugal shaking. Who is that? Alright, Namibia is lost in the desert. That's Slovenia on a train. I thought Denmark was going to say, you must eat the nuggies. This is continued. That's South Africa. That's Canada. But why does her limbs upside down? Her limbs is not supposed to be upside down. It's supposed to be like in the right way, not upside down. But now she's back to her normal limbs. Now she's back upside down. Alright, Ukraine is up next. Running away from Russia. However, Russia's EAS alarm is not present. Montenegro. It's most like someone shot Montenegro. It's mostly Greece. Sorry, no gas. The USA from 1973. It sounds like Mickey Mouse or Looney Tunes cartoons. Saint Helena. Oh my god. Run! Oh my god, it reminds me of Sonic.exe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sri Lanka. Suriname. Hey, that's not Senegal. That's Suriname. Alright, Dominican Republic. Give Brad a letter. They disappear. The New Zealand from ALT. The USA. It sounds like a long version of the AES alarm, to be honest, as a matter of fact. It's mixed up with the... Man, it mixed up with the... It was mixed up with the Texas AES alarm. Dallas. Yemen. Sudan. South Sudan. Says nuclear. Australia with a siren hat on top of it. Man, Czech Republic was like he doesn't care, while the USA, who appears to be young, starts to get mad. Oh wait, hang on a second, that's the same thing. I didn't know that. Alright, we're back to Costa Rica, not doing anything. It says drugs. There's something you don't see. Was that Argentina? Oh, it's Puerto Costa, not Indonesia or Monaco. Sounds like this guy is raging. Oh my god. It's not just an EES alarm, it's just someone yelling at the top of their lungs. Okay. Stop yelling, man! It's like Donald Duck. Puerto Rico. This animation is so smooth. Norway. Not a single bowel movement. Check again. I don't know how to make this. Animate this, sorry. Oh no. Oh my god. Martinique. Thank you for saving my life. French Guiana. Then dies of cringe. Then becomes a black and white version of French Guiana. About a second later, Canada appears on the top, which results in French Guiana becoming surprised while Canada is angry, due to the fact that French Guiana stole Canada's EES alarm. Vietnam ALT, even though the star is big. Laos is dead. Palestine. Alright then. Oh my god. It's Spain. Partying. Not even a single stretch moment. Malawi and Iceland. Malawi is just acting like a fly. Or maybe a butterfly. Oh, it's Iceland again. Thankfully, he didn't do a smear frame. Isle of Man, surrounded by an explosion. Okay. That was completely racism. Canada again. Thankfully, your limbs didn't go upside down, man. Togo. Turned into a phone. It's Cyprus again. Come on, man. We need to stop with these tricks. Malta, you scared me. Please don't turn into color bars. You idiots! Damn, man. I just saw Ireland over there for just a nanosecond. Malawi again. Acting like a fly. Check. And then there's Saint Helena. Is that a chainsaw? That's just a regular saw, not just any other chainsaw. Just gonna stop right there because I don't want to make it like 16 minutes. Because I will not actually make it up because I won't upload it because it doesn't allow me to upload, so I'm just going to stop.